Hey guys, I'm Travis with Parts for Garage Doors, and today we're going to talk about what are your options when you have a broken garage door. Do you know what it is that you're going to do? What choices do you have? Okay, so your garage door is broken. You can't even lift the thing. It's dead on the ground. What are you going to do? You've got your vehicle's trapped in the garage. You can't take your vehicle to work. You've been getting a ride from a neighbor or taking the bus, and your trash cans are stuck in the garage, and you've missed the trash guy already. You've missed the trash truck this week, and it's starting to smell in your garage. You've gotten a letter from your HOA because your grass is starting to get too long and you can't get your lawnmower out of your garage. What are you going to do? So option number one could be maybe call a service company. And so you decide to take a look at the listings on Google and call your local garage door service company. And they come out later in the day, and thankfully you can find same day service in most cases, but they come out and they charge you a service call, $39, and they let you know that the repair is going to cost $550. Wow, so that catches you off guard. It's a little pricey. It's quite a bit more than you thought it was going to be. You're starting to think, are they selling me something I don't need? Are they really upselling me and taking advantage of me? I just really don't know here if this is the right decision. So maybe you call two more garage door companies and they seem a little bit more reasonable, but the price is still pretty high and it might not be within your budget. You're still feeling like maybe they're selling you something that you don't need. What are your other options? Option number two. So you have a pretty handy guy that's in your neighborhood. He's offered to repair things at your house before, and he seems to think that he can repair your garage door. But the questions to ask would be, hey, does he have the proper tools? Does he have the proper know-how? Can he get the job right the first time, or is he going to have to keep coming back? And maybe the fix that he performs is just not a good lasting fix, and you continue to have problems. So if this is somebody that is a friend or somebody that's in your neighborhood, sometimes that's not the best case scenario to use somebody that maybe it could affect your relationship. And every time you see that person, you're thinking about your garage door and what a pain in the neck that was. Option number three. So maybe you could order your parts online. You could even order them Home Depot or Lowe's, and you would get your parts maybe within 2 or 3 days. Sometimes it could take a week or more to get your parts. But then you have to ask yourself, do I really know what parts it is that I'm going to need to make my repair? Am I getting the correct thing for my garage door? If I get these parts in 2 or 3 days, I'm going to have to ship them back and get the right parts. It's going to take another few days for that to happen if I make a mistake. And is there somebody live that can actually help me and answer my questions? Can they give me some installation tips, so that I stay safe and get the job done correctly? I don't know. Who knows? Sometimes you can find forums that will help you. On YouTube, sometimes the comment section, you can get help from somebody. Nobody ever knows if you're going to get your questions answered in a timely fashion or if they're even going to give you the correct advice or professional advice. So, option number four, you're trying to get your garage door repaired and you're trying to get it done quickly. This is your best option. Call your local garage door supply store. Hey, that's us. We are located in Channelview and Houston, and we sell all the garage door parts to the public. The advantage to calling Parts for Garage Doors is that you can get your garage door parts today. We have them in stock. Also, our helpful staff is very experienced in garage doors. Most have been technicians out in the field for multiple years, and they know how to get these jobs done timely, safely. They make sure you get the right parts. So they ask you the right questions. They can give you all the help that you need to get the job done correctly. At Parts for Garage Doors, we sell complete garage doors. We sell replacement panels. If you need bracing to repair your existing panels, maybe they're torn, maybe they're dented or bent. And so a strut brace would be a good option for that. We sell track, either the vertical track or the horizontal track that goes overhead. And we sell all the hardware boxes, which will contain all the hardware you would need for a complete garage door, or all the separate pieces like hinges. If you need separate hinges, maybe you've got one or two that are broken or cracked. If you've got cables that are frayed or rusty and need to be replaced, we've got cables, torsion cables, extension cables. We've got cable drums. Those are what reels up your cables. Bearing plates. We've got bottom fixtures, top adjustable fixtures. We've got your opener parts, gears, trolleys, chains, belts. We've got remote controls and keypads. Anything you would need for your garage door opener, we have. One of the most common parts that people need are garage door springs. So if you have a torsion spring on your garage door that may be broken, the job of the spring is to counterbalance the weight of the door. So if it's broken, it's no longer providing that lifting assistance, and now your garage door is very heavy. So it's not possible for your opener to even lift the door. It's going to be very difficult for you to lift it by hand, although you could lift it with 2 or 3 people helping you. So we have all the residential sizes of garage door springs for your residential door, and even some for commercial doors. Along with the springs, we have the tools, we have the winding bars, all the things that you would need to get the job done safely. We even have a demonstration or a demo where we go through the techniques with you so that you can learn how to unwind your spring safely. You'll learn how to set your cables, how to wind the spring back up, how many times, how many turns your spring is required for your garage door. We give you all that information so that you can get the job done safely and quickly, saving you time and money. So at Parts for Garage Doors, we have everything you need. Come visit us today. Give us a call first if you want to double check if we have the part that you need in stock. Usually if we don't have it, we can have it for you by the next day. So because you really need your garage door repair and you need it quick, come get your parts from Parts for Garage Doors. I guess the only question now is what you're waiting for. Come on down, come visit us today. We'll make sure you get all the parts that you need. Again, my name is Travis, and we'll see you when you get here.